7 months with the Apple AirPod Pro 2s. No wait, oh my god, it's the third. Second gen, yes, it is, okay. I can't even tell you how excited I was when these were first announced and I tested them out at Apple, because they now come with the extra small ear tips, and that has completely redesigned the way that these are able to fit in some people's ears, mine included. Previously, I had not been able to wear any of these with the soft ear tips, so I had been using the old, basically like the first generation AirPods, which clearly don't have as good of sound quality and the Bluetooth connectivity isn't as fast. I could not believe my ears when I first got my ears on these, put these in my ears. I've been loving them. I have 2 pairs. Give me 2 per. I need 2 per. Edit that out, that's dumb. So I got 2 of them, which I'm gonna show you why, because one of them has my little emoji on it. And I think that was one of the coolest things, is being able to customize your AirPods with your Memoji. The coolest thing though is it actually will show you the Memoji on the animation. I'm sure some of you have seen this if you do have one, but if you haven't, like, this is such a cool and cute little addition. Oh, it's so great. Another thing that I liked about these is you can use your Apple Watch charger to charge them. And that has been so crucial for me with traveling because I don't have to bring any extra chargers. I use the MagSafe Duo charger, so with that, I can actually charge both of these at the same time. You're probably like, Justine, why do you have 2 of them? Well, because I lost one, so then I got another one, but then I found the other one, so now I have 2. And I tend to usually travel with both because at times one of them does end up getting misplaced, but usually it comes back. They added this little loop for a lanyard, so one of mine has this nice little Belkin lanyard on it, which is, I was gonna say it's super cute, but like, it's super basic. It's just a little string. Yeah, that's not cute. It's functional. These have also held up pretty well. You may have seen the tragic almost death of the Memoji ones. I put them through a full freaking cycle in my laundry. It was the saddest thing ever. I went and started putting my clothes in the dryer and then I saw them. So what I did is I immediately took them out. Like, it felt waterlogged, like I could feel it. I covered them in those little silica gel packets and I was like, okay, this is definitely gonna air it out. So I put that on top of like this air purifier. So it was just like this consistent stream of air. And I came back like a week later from traveling and guess what? That little light turned on. I still use them all the time and have had no loss in audio, no loss in battery. Basically, they are like brand new. Just very, very clean. As a runner, these have been amazing. There have been a few times where they've fallen out. I still have strange ears. I just can't help it, but very, very rarely do they ever actually fall out, because before they were unwearable for me. I would wear them, but like if I wouldn't be able to move, or I couldn't smile, I couldn't talk, I could just like not move. And I would use them on conference calls because they sounded so good. But now, like, I don't have to worry about that. Like, I can just go and exist and live my life with my AirPods in my ear, which are usually a sign that says, don't talk to me. But yet some people, they don't really get the memo. Look at them, look at this, look at me. I am an AirPods Pro user now. Well, I just wanted to give you guys an update about how I've been liking some of my tech recently. I feel like a lot of times when we make review videos, we never actually go back and talk about how we're liking it afterwards. So for me, the AirPods Pro 2 have definitely passed the long-term test. These are something that I use pretty much every single day. I do even edit with them, even though there is a slight Bluetooth lag, but I feel like I've kind of been able to adjust my editing to know precisely how much lag there is, and I'll end up making it work. Leave me some comments below and let me know what headphones you guys use. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.